I guess let's get started, right? So how's that? I might be a little too bright, but it's okay. Very cinematic feel to it, right? So let's switch over here real quick. So yeah, here's my setup. Got the A7 III there with the Tamra 28 to 75. The dual twin head, since I cannot afford the aperture light, but it gets the job done pretty well. I got a smaller diffuser on there because I cannot find my grid for one of my softbox, so I can't find it, which means I don't have it. Until I can find it, I don't have it. So I use the smaller one to control more of the lighting situation. And as you saw in the photo that he sent, pretty much it's like that. So yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna record a little bit. They just need a small clip. Hopefully by the time you guys are watching it, hopefully by that time I have the audio ready for it, and I can show you how it is. And I can show you the final edit for it. Pretty simple, nothing over the top, but the meaning of it, that's what this message is for that video clip. Let's do it again. That should be good. Just gotta try a few more times until I feel that it's right enough. Nope. Got him. Hey, I got it. Now let's stop this and take it to the computer and play it back. Let's see how it looks. Let me know what you guys think. Oh, hold up. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Comment below if you enjoyed it. I know it's very simple, but it has meaning. That's the good thing about the art of photography and cinematography. The small things have a lot of meaning. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment any questions you may have. My name is Amauris Hernandez. Take the moment to like and subscribe. Peace. Let me just make a dramatic exit. Drift out into the darkness. Drift out into the darkness. Peace.